All right, guys, welcome to another video. And we have a new product launch that I've been waiting for and all week. So this is very king. We're going to get right into it because I want this video to come out before these things sell out. I want you guys to really understand how powerful this is. So right here, I'm adding some stuff to the cart. We released a detergent and we release natural cleaners. So this is very king if you're using harsh chemicals. This is where it all starts. From all the, I'm not going to list any names, but you know those harmful surface cleaners and detergents. A lot of you aren't even using the natural detergents that's actually in the stores due to the price. So we're going to break this down. I actually have 4 of them in the cart, and you can see right now they're $51 plus shipping and taxing. I'm probably going to get all 5 or 6 of them just to have them so they don't, before they sell out, but very inexpensive. So I want to say 2 things. One thing, very inexpensive, $12.95. The one that I usually get in the store is for a detergent is $15. As far as surface cleaner, I haven't found a surface cleaner that's all natural, honestly. I mean, this is all natural. Wait till you see what the ingredients are. And 2, if you're someone that wants to make money, I always tell you guys 50 volume is a great sweet spot in Godesana to get started, right? If I add one more of the products, so probably one more cleaner or one more detergent, I have 50 BV, right? And I'll have this compensation plan maxed out. And as long as these are in stock, you can go build your business super quick with this. I mean, like I pray that these stay in stock for a while, but this is about to be a crazy thing. So I want to show you some things, right? Here is the breakdown on the detergent, right? 99% of these things, all of them are natural. They have sodium bicarbonate in here, which is alkaline in the body, very very good for the body. But these are the only 2 ifs, if anyone knows about ingredients, right? But they're all still natural, right? Where are you going to go to find a detergent that's 99% all essential oils? It's very hard. I'm not saying we're the only ones, but it's very hard to find products that are 99% all essential oils, perfect for the skin, right? The only 2 additives you can add, you can add some more baking soda, which is another natural way, even if you didn't have this, and vinegar. It's going to even up the power in this. So next level. And I'm actually going to read these on the other one because it's the same. They're the same, similar ingredients. So here, where can you find a cleaner that is literally all natural? You see here, they're all essential oils, except the aloe vera, which is natural. Crazy, right? So what's king about these is we put some of our formulations in them. So the protector surface is suited for households with respiratory concerns, immune sensitivities, and young children. So you can feel good spraying it on their toys. I know I used to hate using Clorox wipes on the toys because I knew it was harsh chemicals. Now you can feel good. Deep surface cleaner. So this is going to have that green mandarin and pine needle. So you're going to have that deep, fresh scent to inhale. And this is promoting emotional balance and immune support because of these different essential oils we have in them. Designed for everyday use, is perfect for homes seeking a safe, aromatic, and grounding clean throughout the kitchens, bathrooms, play areas. And then Tri Remedy. This has our Tri Remedy oil in it. So listen, immune boosting, providing potent antibacterial, antiviral action. Studies suggest that these natural ingredients can rival the effectiveness of conventional antibiotics, offering strong protection against germs without the use of harsh chemicals. It's ideal for sanitizing high touch surfaces in kitchens, bathrooms, and shared spaces. So next level, guys. Special introductory pricing. Not sure if the pricing is going to go up, but you can't beat this. $12.95. No one's doing this. Someone. I mean, there's people with cleaners and detergents and stuff, but the fact that we're already a essential oil personal care line, we use our own formulations in our own things, like our new cleaner and our new detergent. So this is all our thing. You know, this is what we specialize. Every company usually specializes in something. We specialize in these oil formulations, guys. So if you want more information, drop products in the comment section, or drop both in the comments, meaning I want to do the business as well, and I want the products, guys, while they're still in stock. And like I said, act fast.